Welcome to Fadusman, where we bring you the most exciting cars from around the world. Today, we dive into the heart of luxury and power with the Arabic edition of iconic Lamborghini. Feast your eyes on this masterpiece with its stunning Arabian-inspired design. This Lamborghini redefines luxury from its custom gold detailing to intricate calligraphy accents. Every element tells a story of elegance and heritage. Step inside to experience opulence at its peak. The hand-stitched leather seats adorned with Arabic patterns complement the futuristic dashboard. And look at this, a unique startup sound that resonates like an Arabian oud melody. This beast is not just about looks. Powered by a mentioned engine specs V12 engine delivering 770 horsepower. It goes from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 10 seconds. This car is not just a vehicle, it's a statement. What makes this Lamborghini truly special is the craftsmanship created in collaboration with top designers from the Middle East. Every detail celebrates Arabic culture while staying true to Lamborghini's legacy.